Welcome to the class 8 students. This is the continuation part of the chapter Circulatory System in Humans. In my last video, I have started discussing about the ABO blood group system, which was given by Karl Landsteiner. So I hope you have at least understood a little bit. Now today I will continue with that topic so that you understand the topic of blood grouping better. So let me draw that chart again. BG means what type of blood groups? Antigen, antibody. Okay, now I will tell you in details. Okay, blood group A. So the first blood group is blood group A, and blood B already I have previously discussed that blood group A consists of antigen A and antibody B, right? But why is that? If blood group A can consist of antigen A, then why not antibody A? Why is the antibody becoming B? So previously also told you that there are two antigens A and B and two antibodies A and B. So why is it always like that? See the next one, B, B, A, AB, A and B, nothing, means O, 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 A comma B. So why is it always like that? If antigen is something, the antibody will be opposite. Why? They both cannot be the same. Okay? There is a reason behind it. Look into page number 76, the box, second box, right here. Okay? Antigen A and antibody A. So suppose, just suppose that here antibody A is present. Antigen A for blood group A, antigen A and antibody A. What would have been the problem? Okay, antigen A and antibody A are incompatible. Why they are incompatible? Incompatible means they are not compatible with each other. They cannot match with each other. Why they are incompatible? Because they cause self-clumping. Self-clumping means when both this A antigen and A antibody come together, these are basically protein substances, right? They will clump together. They will not work the way they are supposed to work. They will clump together and not work at all. So, in order to avoid that, means in that way the body will face many problems, right? So, in order to avoid that, the antigen and antibody types are always opposite in a particular blood group. So, if A antigen is there, the antibody will be B. If B antigen is there in blood group B, then the antibody will be A. Okay? See, the antigens and antibodies work against each other. When blood containing the opposite antigen is transfused into the body of a person, the antibodies of the recipient will attack the donated blood and cause clumping. So that is why when I was talking about blood donation, means the compatibility of the blood has to be maintained between the donor and the recipient. Compatibility means the antigens and antibodies of both the donor and the recipient should be compatible so that they do not form clumps. Okay, that is why I said that blood group A can donate blood to only A and AB, because in both of them they have the antigen A and thus the recipient's body will not consider these A antigens as a foreign body. Okay, since A has only antigen A and AB has A and also B, so this one is not required here. It has A and it will think that this one, it knows this one. Okay, so it will not be considered as a foreign material. So this will be same for all the blood groups and for donation and receiving the different blood groups. So I hope this compatibility part is clear to you all. So what will happen if compatibility is not maintained between the donor and the recipient's blood? This may cause blood infection and even death. So when blood clumping takes place, if the blood groups are incompatible, what will happen? Clumping will take place between the antigens and antibodies, and this may cause blood infection and also death. Okay. Therefore, blood transfusion is done very carefully by matching the blood group of the donor and the recipient. Now, coming to a very important part. Blood group O. Blood group O is known as universal donor. universal donor. Why? Because it can donate blood. Blood group O can donate blood to A, B, AB and O. That means all the types of blood groups can receive blood from blood group O. That means it becomes a universal donor. Blood group O means people who have blood group O, they can donate blood to all the 4 types of blood group. That means they become a universal donor. They can donate blood to everyone. Okay, so this is a very important question. Why blood group O is known as universal donor? Since it can be given to a person with any blood group. Why can it be given to a person with any blood group? Because O blood group does not have any antigen, and thus it will not react or form clumps with all the other blood groups. So since it has no antigen, it is beneficial to give blood group O to any other blood group, and thus it is known as universal donor. Okay. Now coming to the other one, blood group AB. This one, blood group AB is known as universal recipient. Is known as universal recipient. See, I have written here universal recipient. Why? Because it can receive blood from all the other 4 blood groups. Means all 4 types of blood groups can donate blood to AB. That means it can receive, recipient means it can receive blood from all the 4 blood groups by A, B, AB and O. Why? Because AB has both the antigens A and B. So if it receives blood from blood group A, blood group A has which antigen? A, and this gets matched, and no problem or no reaction will take place in the among the 2 bloods. Coming to blood group B. Blood group B has which antigen? B. B is present here. B is present. B antigen is present here also in AB blood group. That means no reaction, no harmful reaction will take place. O has no antigen. That means no problem at all. So this is how we calculate, and thus AB blood group can receive blood from all different blood groups, and that is why they are known as universal recipient. So I hope this portion is clear to you all. You will have to learn this chart very well. You will have to learn this chart very well on page number 76. Very important. Mark it and learn the antigens and antibodies which are present in them. Here in the chart they are written, these portions are written as none. You can write O or none, whatever you wish, and you will have to learn that the name of Karl Landsteiner is not written in your book. Just add here after ABO blood group system, add the name Karl Landsteiner. That means he was a scientist who gave this ABO blood group system. Karl, Karl Landsteiner. Okay, I hope you have understood this whole blood grouping system. Okay, I will continue with the Rhesus factor in the next video. Thank you.